What if we followed the journey of a single $100 bill? Not just one purchase, not just one paycheck, but every place that same $100 goes as it moves through the economy. Let's see where it travels. You have $100 in cash. You spend it at a clothing store. The store receives the money and later deposits it into its bank account. The same $100 has already moved through two different types of transactions: a cash purchase and a bank deposit. The store owner uses a business check to pay an employee. The employee deposits the check into a personal bank account. Later, the employee uses a debit card to buy groceries. The grocery store receives the payment electronically. The grocery owner then sends a wire transfer to a food distributor. The same $100 keeps moving through different payment systems. The distributor pays a shipping company using a commercial business check. The shipping company deposits the funds. A truck driver later purchases fuel using a company debit card. The gas station receives the payment electronically and deposits the funds into its business account. The same $100 continues moving through checks, card networks, electronic payments, and bank deposits. Notice how the money moved: cash, bank deposits, business checks, debit cards, wire transfers, electronic payments. Different methods, different systems. The same money keeps moving. Every stop creates a record: a purchase, a paycheck, a deposit, a transfer, an invoice. Businesses track them. Individuals track them. Accountants track them. Software tracks them. The money keeps moving. So does the paperwork. Under the current system, those records often become part of federal tax filing requirements. Under the receiving tax, the records remain, but federal tax filings are no longer required. Same money, same journey. Different complexity. Some people ask whether taxing money repeatedly causes the dollar to lose value. The answer is no. A dollar remains worth a dollar. The value stays the same. What changes is how much of it you keep. Don't use my numbers, use your own. Visit the calculator and enter your income or business revenue. See the difference for yourself. Run the numbers. Draw your own conclusions. If you'd like to learn more, visit FixYourGov.com. You can explore the book, use the calculator, and review additional explanations of how the receiving tax works. Thank you for watching. The choice is yours.